In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone to Projector HY300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of projector or any other one, you will be able to connect your iPhone and mirror your screen. This will be primarily done using an HDMI cable. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this process with a physical connection, so you won't be able to do it wirelessly for this particular method. So for this one, you will need an HDMI cable. If you look at the back of your projector, you will find the HDMI port. However, if you try to plug one end of an HDMI cable here, obviously you won't be able to establish this connection with the iPhone because it lacks the HDMI port. So what you have to do is purchase an adapter. This adapter will go in here midway through the connection, and it is going to be a Lightning to HDMI adapter. You can purchase it on the official Apple website, so as you can see, Apple themselves do make an accessory for any iPhone model, and of course, if your iPhone doesn't use a Lightning port, then you will have to purchase USB-C to HDMI instead. But basically, you need an adapter that can plug into your iPhone and then allow you to establish a connection with the HDMI port on the projector. So you plug one end of the HDMI cable into the projector, the other one goes into the adapter, and then the adapter goes into your iPhone. Immediately upon doing this, you can power on your projector, the HY300, and now everything should work flawlessly. You can use any standard HDMI cable, and all of them should work as long as you properly establish a connection using the adapter. There is no secret to this, and you don't need to download any additional applications. Now, depending on the model of projector that you have, you might also be able to do this wirelessly, but you will have to download additional applications through the projector's software. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone to Projector HY300. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.